So good day everyone. So today's video will be talking about problem solving of machine design 1. So first is, as you can see on the screen, we have the problem statement, and here is the solution. SU is equals to 153 KSI, and SY is equals to 134 KSI, and SU or SA is equals to 0.5 SU, which is we're gonna plug in the SU is 153 KSI. So 0.5 times 153 is equals to 76.5 KSI. Next is we're gonna solve the SA. So 0.5 SU, which is 0.8 times 0.85 times the 76.5 KSI, we can get 52 KSI. So next is we're gonna solve the Sutherberg line, which is the formula we'll be using is I over N SM over SY plus SA over SN. So for F max is equals to F is equal to PA or the area, and 125 times pi d squared over 4. So we're gonna plug in this direct. So 125 times pi over 4 times 20 squared. So we can get 39,270 pounds, or we will convert it to kips, 39.27 kips. For F minimum, we can see that negative F, so negative 39.27. So SM is equals to 0. So here, SA is equals to 4F over pi d squared. So we're gonna plug in it. We have 4 times 39.27 over pi d squared. So we have 50 over d squared. Now, we'll be using this formula here. I over N is equals to 1 over 1.75 is equals to 0 plus 50 over d squared over 52. So we can get the diameter in inches, which is 1.29 inches. So let's move for the next problem. So the solution, SU is equals to 105 PSI, SY is equals to 85 PSI, and SN is equals to 0.5 SU, or 0.5 times 105 is equals to 52.5 PSI. So still SM is equal to 0. So SA is equals to 4F over pi d squared, or simply plug in 4 times 5 over pi d squared. So 4 times 5 is equals to 20 over pi d squared. So next is we're gonna solve for the Sutherberg line. So I over N is equals to SM over SY plus SA over SN. IN is equals to 0 plus SA over SN. So SA is equals to SN over N. For size factor is equal to, for size factor we have 0.85, and actual loading is 0.80. So machine surface factor was to 0.85. So SN is equal to 0.5, SU is equals to, just simply plug in 0.80 times 0.85 times 0.85 times 52.5. So we can get 30.3345 KSI. So for surface factor, we have 1.00. So SA is equals to 20 over pi d squared, is simply 30.345 over 1.4. So we have D is equals to 9 over 16 inches, or SA is equals to 20 over pi d squared, 35.7 over 4. We can get the diameter of 0.5 inches. So savings in weight. So simply 9 16 squared minus 1/2 squared over 9 over 16 squared times 100%. So, to get the percentage, we're gonna calculate this direct. So, we have 21%. Lastly, Sn is equals to 0.5 SU is equal to 0.80 times 0.85 times 0.40 times 52.5. So, if we compute it, we can get 14.28 psi. Lastly, Sa is equals to 20 over 5d squared or 14.28 over 1.4. So finally, we have the diameter 3/4 inches or 3/4 inches. So let's move for the last problem. So Su is equal to 65 psi and Sy is equal to 48 psi. Sn is equal to 0.5 times Su or 0.5 times 65 psi is equal to 32.5. So for the surface factor as forged is 0.55. Same thing, Sm is equal to 0. Sa is equal to mc over I. So I is equal to T times cubic B over 12. So T times 2.8 cube over 12 is equal to 1.83 T4 to the 4th. So C is equal to B over 2. So 2.8 T over 2 is simply 1.4 T. So for M, formula is FL, which is 900 times 40 is, you can get 12,600 inches pound, or in kips 12.6 inches kips. So SA is equals to 12.6 times 1.4 over 1.83 T to the 4th. So simply cancel. So the last remain is T cube. So 9.643 over T cube. So Sn is equals to 0.85 times 0.55, which is the surface factor, times 32.5. We can get 15.20 is I. So for Soderberg line, I is equals to N is equals to Sm over Sy plus Sa over Sn. So I over N is equal to simply 0.0 plus Sa over Sn. So for Sa is equals to Sn over N. You can just plug in. So 9.643 over T cube is equals to 15.20 over 2. So we have T 1.08 inches. So for B is equals to 2.8 T, or just plug in that value of T, which is 1.08. So 2.8 times 1.08 is equals to 3 inches. So say T is equals to 1 over 16 inches and B 3.0 inches. So next is M is equals to Fe. So 900 times 4, 900 times 4 is equals to 3,600 inches pound, or in kips 3.6 inches kips. Sa is equals to 3.6, which is the M. 3.6 times 1.4 T over 1.83 T to the 4th. Same thing, cancel. So the remaining will be T cube, or 2.755 over T cube. 2.755 over T cube is equals to 15.20. If we solve this, we can get 0.713 inches for T, and for B, simply 2.8 times T is 2.8 times 0.713 just gonna plug in. So we have 1.996 inches. And lastly, P is equals to 23/34 inches. And for B is 2 inches. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned.